The creative industries have been a huge success story in Wales, but that success is fragile. It's based on a network of small independent companies and freelancers riding wave after wave of digital change. That's where Media Cymru comes in. We've built an ecosystem that supports companies to do research, development and innovation.
So Media Cymru supports fair, green and global innovation. We work with organisations to fund at a low level so that people can come in and start their R&D journey, and we scale that up to significant funds for people to take on much larger innovation projects.
Live sport production tends to be in outside broadcast trucks and is not very accessible. So the R&D project that we looked into was how do we make live TV and live sport more sustainable and accessible. Media Cymru's support of this R&D funding has helped us to be able to use the findings as part of the development and implement it as part of a live production, which is what we did on the Paris Paralympics in 2024.
We're here at Fivefold Studios, which is a 10,000 square foot unit, which comprises of a very large green screen here, where we plan to do some fairly advanced real-time compositing techniques, as well as some in-camera VFX. The relationship with Media Cymru and the project itself has allowed us to incorporate providing a space for R&D and innovation, and also a location for training and education.
One of the major challenges that we have within the Welsh media sector and wider media sector is diversity and inclusion. And the Open Door Initiative is tackling that head on. We are looking to bring in new entrants into the media sector from a lower social economic background, who are also predominantly Welsh speakers, to help diversify the Welsh sector. I think when people think of innovation or R&D, they immediately think technology. But within this particular project, innovation is about people and training and creating diversity within a sector.
We're the second largest publisher of interactive movies other than Netflix. If we hadn't R&D'd how to get onto new platforms, how to get onto new projects, how to do stuff differently, we would be left behind and we wouldn't have a business now. We've been with Media Cymru since the start. The relationship's been absolutely brilliant. Whist, which is a writer's interactive scripting tool, allows writers and directors from a non-traditional background to create games, all the way through to the pipeline of training and actually developing new writers, directors and producers through the Media Cymru project.
Mae'r Diwydiannau Creadigol a ryw werth o 1.4 biliwn o bunne'r flwyddyn i economi Cymru, sy'n dangos pa mor bwysig yw'r sector i Gymru, a mae llwyddiant y sector yn cael ei drafod ledled Prydain ac Ewrop, i ni gwybod bod Cymru wedi troi yn ganolfan o'r agoriaeth ar gyfer y sector gynhyrchu. Ond mwyn parhau ar frig y tabl yna, mae rhaid i ni arloesi, mae rhaid i ni ddatblygu syniadau newydd a thechnolegau newydd mwyn caniatáu ni aros ar y brig.
It's vital that all our partners, collaborators and stakeholders get involved with our ambitions to fuel the future, because we're at a particular moment where if we don't take this opportunity, we'll be outpaced and outsmarted.
One of the things that we've proved at Media Cymru is that this kind of investment really works, really pays dividends. And what we'd really like to do is for more people to become part of this large-scale collaborative effort to really shift the dial and to make a small nation with lots of small companies a global hub for media innovation.